Hi guys, let's analyze cryptocurrency market from quantitative trading point. We should start from benchmark and we should analyze Bitcoin USDT, and let's do it. Today we have some uptrend and we could understand we need to understand it is uptrend is change our downtrend or it is only correction for downtrend. And to understand this situation, what we need to do, we need to click on a forecast and let's analyze Bitcoin USDT in middle term. We do request and our artificial intelligence algorithm analyze this price, and this algorithm define support and resistance channel, and you could see that now we have a red point, and it means price could rebound from this resistance, and we could find some situation for short or wait, and we should be careful to open some trade for long. Next we need to analyze seasonality. Let's do it. And you see we have decrease price from Wednesday and to Sunday, and it means some relationship on seasonality, and we also could use it to make a decision. And next let's analyze price for Bitcoin for day trading to find some point for trade. Okay, it takes some times to make a request to server. Okay, let's select this range. Okay, and you see we have a red point. It means price is overbought, and it's external point, and we could see some rebound from this resistance. Okay, and next what we need to do, we need to analyze transaction between wallet. It's a very useful information for us, and what we should to see. And you see we have net cash coefficient less than 1. It means we have a transaction from private to exchange, and this information for about several minutes. And but I would like to see information about Binance. Okay, we have some positive net cash for Binance. It means some large players do transaction to Binance to make some trades. Let's analyze data for more time, but for more time we have negative net cash coefficient, and we see transaction from Binance to private. Let's do information for more time. This also interesting information. Okay, so what is mean? It means many large traders do transaction from Binance to private, and you could see decrease open interest for exchange, but in short term we could see some increase open interest in Binance, but it could be small movement. It could be small movement. But let's analyze this information in detail. We need to understand what happens, and what we need to do, we need to find information about volume for several last minutes, and let's do what the traders do. Okay, we need table information. Okay, we do I need to find transaction between private wallet to Binance. Let's do it. Where is the data? From owner type unknown, it means private wallet, to Binance this information, and we could see this all information about recent transaction from private wallet to Binance. It means some large player wants to buy some coins, but it could be do some movement for uptrend for several coin. Let's do what coin is interesting for this moment. To make this information, we need to click on open interest and find how to change open interest for the last hour, and I'm trying to follow this information to understand what do large players, and I need to find coins what exist on the cryptocurrency market, and to make more readable information we could use, for example, in this one it means some short list when we have too many increasing open interest for some coins. It means some large players could make pump, and when we have pump, in general after this pump we have some rebound. Let's analyze this all coin. I need to understand what exists on Binance. Okay, not exist on Binance, not exist, also not exist. Okay, it's also not exist. And let's look in another coins. For example, I'm looking some green point, but some information not display for you, but it display in a browser. For example, this green point bubble, it's adding. It means open interest increase for this coin. This is green bubble, it's Dora, so Dora not exist. Okay, so on the current moment we haven't some big movement on open interest on Binance. Let's do on Musk. Okay, it's increased recently. Let's look in this information on Binance. Okay, this coin exists, and we see have do you see we have some pump on this coin, but we need to understand how we could trade this coin. Let's do analyze this coin using artificial intelligence. Now let's do it. Okay, Musk USDT. Let's do forecast. It takes some time, and you could see we have price channel. This optimization price channel would do artificial intelligence, but we haven't any overvalue. It means we could see continue to grow this coin, and let's analyze for day trading. Takes some times to download data and make prediction, but you could see artificial intelligence predict that this coin could decrease, but in general we see now pump. Okay, yes, it means for this coin exist pump from big traders, and this is not normal. This is not normal situation, and when this pump is end, we could see some rebound from this coin, and we could trade it. Okay, let's do analyze our Bitcoin using deep learning, using a neural network. And what we need to do, I would like to see what happens for 1 hour, and let's do analyze, and I would like to see accuracy is about 60%. Okay, it happens, and I try to save it. Okay, I'm stopping and save. Accuracy is about 62%, and we need save, and next we need do back test. Okay, and what happens at this moment? Okay, we see this is also abnormal situation. This is some pump, and we should be careful when we trade this pump, because price could rebound. Okay, and also, for example, to define some levels, some statistical levels, I'm looking these charts. It means statistical, and I like to use a histogram, and I take close data, and for example, you see we have big bar. It means this is a very strong statistical level between 41.5 to 42,000. Okay, this is current situation. Another statistical level in this range between 36 and 37. So it means in this situation we could see some rebound, and we should be careful to buy Bitcoin in this situation. And from a quantitative trading point, we could make some short position with some stop. And also I'm trying to find some what happens on the market, and I like to analyze Twitter data, and because news is very important, and I'm trying to understand what's think market about it. For example, I'm trying to find some hard topic, and I did some filter for polarity to understand what think market about the situation in the current moment. Okay, let's do it. This is opinion, and let's what topic market discuss about Bitcoin drop, and let's do stop and do okay. Sometimes cluster we have cluster for 46. It means market discuss maybe that market Bitcoin could increase for 46,000, and horizontal what is mean time. Okay, sometimes I'm trying to look in some new project from this bubble, and what hot topic to discuss some project. and try to change some settings like noise. For example, we could decrease noise, and we see that they discuss about cluster, but this cluster was in this one 36, cluster 36. Okay, in the bubble file I see that I don't know it display it for you, but in browser display display 46 sounds fail. It means maybe they discuss that Bitcoin could decrease from 46,000. Okay, and next we need to find some strategy how to trade our, for example, our Bitcoin. And to do this strategy we could use some simple strategy like mini reversing, for example, and we could optimize this strategy, and we could find some relationship what's working on this moment, and we could trade some um, outliers, for example, like this. When we see some outliers, if red or green, it means red means for short, green it means for buy. But on the current moment we should wait from mini reversing strategy. Let's analyze using momentum strategy. From momentum strategy we could change. Okay, we could change settings and find what working on this moment. It looks like working, but I like more deep learning, maybe more informative. And from deep learning point we could open short position, and we should be careful to buy, because our artificial intelligence tools predict some resistance and support, and these tools say us that we could see some rebound from 43,000. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you next time.